Can you pass U.S. government? We're diving into the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. Grab a pen, keep track of your score, and let's see if you've got what it takes to make the Founding Fathers proud. Starting off with question 1. In what year was the U.S. Constitution signed? Choices are A. 1776, B. 1791, C. 1787, or D. 1876. You have 8 seconds. This is kind of an important date to know in American history. Were you sleeping in class? Time's up. The answer is A. 1776. Off to the next one. Question 2. How many articles are in the original U.S. Constitution? Is it A. 5, B. 7, C. 10, or D. 13? 8 seconds on the clock. Okay, so make sure you know it says original, not amended. So where did it all begin? Time's up. The answer is B. 7. Did you guess or actually know it? Question 3. Who is known as the father of the Constitution? Choices are A. George Washington, B. Alexander Hamilton, C. Thomas Jefferson, or D. James Madison. You have 8 seconds. All of these men were amazing for the creation of this nation. Who's got the nickname, though? Our 4th president. Time's up. The answer is D. James Madison. Did you learn something new? Pop-up joke time. Why did the athlete wear a tank top to school? Because the Constitution says you have the right to bear arms. Question 4. What are the first 10 amendments to the Constitution called? Is it A. the Articles, B. the Preamble, C. the Bill of Rights, or D. the Federalist Papers? 8 seconds to think fast. Which one is it? These are the most important amendments. I mean, they have a special name. Time's up. The answer is C. the Bill of Rights. Did you know it? I hope. Question 5. What does the First Amendment protect? Is it A. right to bear arms, B. freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition, C. protection from self-incrimination, or D. right to a fair trial? There are 8 seconds on the clock. Our ancestors thought this was number 1, the most important. We still need to fight to keep this one to be true. Time's up. The answer is B. freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Did you have to guess? Make sure to study up. Question 6. What does the Second Amendment guarantee? Is it A. the right to a fair trial, B. the right to privacy, C. the right to keep and bear arms, or D. freedom from unreasonable searches? There are 8 seconds on the clock. Okay, so this is the second one. We know the answer for number 1, but which one was the second most important to our founding fathers? Time's up. The answer is C. the right to keep and bear arms. This one has been big lately, hope you knew it. Pop-up joke time. What do you call a constitutional amendment that's never satisfied? The Bill of Rights. Question 7. Which amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures? Choices are A. 3rd, B. 4th, C. 6th, or D. 8th. You have 8 seconds. I'm glad we have these amendments. Just don't forget they exist. They're there for you. Time's up. The answer is B. 4th Amendment. Did you get it right? Up next, another great question. Question 8. Which body has the power to declare war? Is it A. the President, B. the Supreme Court, C. Congress, or D. the Vice President? You have 8 seconds to think of an answer. This one was tricky until I did some research. I honestly needed to study this one. Do you know it? Time's up. The answer is C. Congress. Did you get it right? Head over to the next one. Question 9. The Fifth Amendment includes which of the following protections? Choices are A. right to vote, B. protection against self-incrimination and double jeopardy, C. freedom of religion, or D. right to bear arms. You have 8 seconds. I know you're thinking so many questions about the amendments, but they are important. So, which one is this? Time's up. The answer is B. protection against self-incrimination, and double jeopardy. Have you watched the movie Double Jeopardy? It's worth a watch. Off to the next one. Pop-up joke time. Why did the Founding Fathers bring string to the Constitutional Convention? To tie up loose ends. Question 10. How many amendments are in the U.S. Constitution today? Choices are A. 10, B. 21, C. 27, or D. 33. Think quickly, 8 seconds on the clock. Did you know the Bill of Rights was influenced by earlier English documents like the Magna Carta? Now, would you rather memorize the Bill of Rights or name every U.S. president in order? Okay, time's up. The answer is C. 27. Did you know that answer? Only a few questions left. Question 11. The preamble to the Constitution begins with what words? Is it A. We the people? B. In Congress, July 4th. C. When in the course of human events. Or D. Fourscore and 7 years ago. You have 8 seconds. Who else had to memorize the preamble in elementary school? I mean, I really hope everyone knows this answer. Okay, time's up. The answer is A. We the people. Did you get it? Pop-up joke time. Donald Trump says he can protect the Constitution. Do you think he can stop Nicolas Cage? Question 12. What does the Eighth Amendment prohibit? Is it A. Gun ownership, B. Quartering of soldiers, C. Freedom of speech, or D. Cruel and unusual punishment? You have 8 seconds. Don't go back in time before this amendment was written. I wouldn't want to live in a country without this amendment. Which one is correct? Time's up. The answer is D. Cruel and unusual punishment. Did you know that, or did you learn something new? Only 3 left. Question 13. Which amendment gives you the right to a speedy and public trial? Choices are A. 6th, B. 5th, C. 10th, or D. 9th. You have 8 seconds. Think quickly. It says speedy. Now, if you don't know all the amendments, maybe study them. That's like a cheat sheet for your rights in the U.S. Okay. Time's up. The answer is A. 6th Amendment. I feel like this one is tricky. Question 14. Which document did the Constitution replace? Is it A. The Articles of Confederation, B. The Declaration of Independence, C. The Magna Carta, or D. The Federalist Papers? You have 8 seconds to think. What came first? Ooh, as you think of your answer, would you rather debate the First Amendment or take a pop quiz on all 27 amendments? Time's up. The answer is A. The Articles of Confederation. Did you know that one? Last question is next. Question 15. Which amendment ensures rights not listed in the Constitution are still protected? Is it A. 8th, B. 9th, C. 10th, or D. 14th? You only have 8 seconds. Did you know the word democracy never actually appears in the Constitution? Yeah. So gets me wondering, is it real? Like really real? Time's up. The answer is B. 9th Amendment. I hope you didn't guess, or maybe you did and got lucky. Start counting your score. How'd you do? If you got all 15, go ahead and call yourself a constitutional boss. If not, no worries. Now you know what to review before that next quiz or exam. Make sure to like, comment your score, and subscribe for more high school level study games just like this one. Coming up next, can you pass Algebra 1?